Here we have my Yamaha Raptor 660 engine. I bought this quad broken. I was going to fix it up, and the piston bearing had gotten stuck. You can see how it ripped itself there and damaged the piston. Inside the cylinder, I think I can hone it away. If not, I have to change the sleeve. And here is the notorious one-way bearing in the Raptor. Here we can see this is a normal play at the crankshaft. When I got this bike, it was in a really bad condition, so I just tore it all apart down to the frame, which I'm gonna sand down and paint. I have to change most of the bearings in it. This one is quite fun. The lower steering stem bearing. Have to get a bolt upside down to loosen that one. I'll make a video and show you how that's done soon. This quad had been rear-ended, so the exhaust was broken, like really bent badly, and the taillight was broken. But I found another exhaust from another Yamaha bike, a 450 bike, and the bolt holes are the same, but I would have to cut off the end of both of them and weld this one to this one. It's this hole. I also got a rear brake light from that 450 Yamaha. It's the same bolt pattern, so I can use that. It's really good. It's always good to find things that fit between bikes. Always good to check what fits. Yeah. So that's my bike. I got some work ahead of me. Gonna begin with the engine. Put that together. And then carry on.